Mark, I don't feel well today.
Oh no. What's wrong?
My head hurts, and my throat is sore.
You should see a doctor.
But Mark, I don't know what to say to the doctor. In English.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
This scares me. When I am sick, I just want to feel better. But I can't explain my problem.
I understand. But the doctor wants to help you.
So what do I say?
Simple words. I feel sick. My head hurts. That's enough.
That simple?
That simple. Let's start with the most important phrase. I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Or you can say, I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Then tell the doctor your problem.
I have a headache.
Headache means my head hurts.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Now, more common problems. I have a fever.
What is a fever?
A fever means your body is very hot. You are too warm.
I have a fever.
I have a sore throat.
Sore throat means it hurts when I swallow.
I have a cough.
Like this. Cough, cough.
Yes. And one more very useful phrase.
It hurts here.
It hurts here?
Yes, you point to your body and you say, it hurts here.
Easy. I can point. Now let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat. I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Good. One more time. I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
It hurts here.
It hurts here.
Excellent. Now, let's try the doctor's office. I am the doctor. You are the patient.
Okay.
Hello, come in. What's the problem today?
I don't feel well. I have a headache.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. And I have a sore throat.
How long have you felt like this?
2 days?
Okay, it's not serious. Take this medicine twice a day and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor. Mark, I did it.
You did! You explained your problem perfectly. Let's remember the most useful phrases. I feel sick.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I have a fever.
I have a sore throat.
It hurts here.
And two phrases the doctor says, how long have you felt like this?
The doctor asks how many days you are sick.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times every day.
Real English, real situations. Now let's try one more. This time, you feel more confident.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning, doctor. I feel sick. I have a fever and a cough.
I'm sorry to hear that. Does it hurt anywhere?
Yes, it hurts here, in my chest.
How long have you felt like this?
3 days.
Okay, take this medicine twice a day and drink lots of water.
Thank you, doctor.
Get some rest. I hope you feel better soon.
Mark, that felt so natural.
You spoke so clearly. The doctor understood everything.
Now I'm not scared anymore.
Now, your turn.
Imagine you are at the doctor. You don't feel well.
Say out loud, I feel sick. I have a
headache? A fever? A sore throat? You choose.
Good. You can talk to a doctor now. Today we learned how to talk to a doctor.
Simple words. I feel sick. I have a headache.
And how to show pain. It hurts here.
Now I know what to say when I feel sick.
You did wonderfully today, Jessica. Tell us in the comments. Is it difficult for you to talk to a doctor in English?
We want to know. And remember, take care of yourself.
Feel better, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.